Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Harnester. I just want to go over prefixes before you do it on the iReady lesson that you have this week. We are going to talk about the prefix re, R-E, and the prefix un. We have talked about this a bit in class as we come across words, but I've never actually taught you prefixes. So we're going to start with un. Sorry. We're going to start with the prefix un, which means not or opposite of. And here are some examples. For example, untie means the opposite of tie or to not be tied. For example, your shoes all the time come untied. And my sentence is, my shoe came untied. The un means not tied or the opposite of being tied. Our next example is unlock, and that means to not be locked. The sentence would be, please unlock the door so I may leave. Notice un means the door is not locked. The last example is unhappy, which means the opposite of happy. The boys are unhappy that they can't go to school. And I'm sure the girls are unhappy also, but I only chose one for the sentence. But un means to be the opposite of happy, or we know unhappy also means sad. The prefix that they're going to be talking about on the iReady lesson today is re. And re just means to do again. I'm going to use the example of tie. We said untie in the earlier slide. Now there is also the word retie. Retie means to tie again. Joe will retie his shoes if they come loose. Another example of using the word re is rewatch, and that just means to watch again. And the sentence is, the students will rewatch the same show over and over because they are bored. Have you rewatched a show during this break that you've had? I bet you have. And the last example is rewash, to wash again. My dad will rewash the floor because the dog walked in with dirty paws. All right, I hope you understand re and un a little better, and you will be ready to do your iReady, the prefix re. Have a great day.